Are you looking to watch the latest fight, the latest game, sports, for an app that'll replace the majority of these applications? Follow along and I'll show you how to get an application for your Amazon Fire TV stick. You won't need these ones anymore. Highlight, find, select down, and in search, we're going to type in DOWN for downloader. So highlight downloader, and it brings up this orange icon, and we can click on it. Downloader gives us the ability to sideload applications onto our Fire Stick that aren't from the Amazon App Store. It'll say get, so get, download, and install it. Before we open up Downloader, click the home screen. We can head all the way to the very end to our settings icon, pull down on our remote, and we want to highlight My Fire TV. Older versions may say My Device, and it might be down on the bottom. So highlight it and click on My Fire TV. I have developer options here listed in this column. You may not. That's okay. I'll get it on there for you. Highlight About, select on it. Now here, mine says Fire TV Stick. Yours may say 4K or something different. Use your remote, select button about 7 to 10 times, and then down on the bottom, it'll say congratulations or no more needed. You are now a developer. You're welcome. So we can back out, and here now developer options is listed. Highlight developer options, click on it. Here we can turn ADB debugging on, and then highlight install unknown apps, select it, and find downloader. We can turn downloader on. Downloader is now enabled to sideload applications onto the device with this on. So let's head to the home screen and find downloader. We'll go all the way to the 3 squares plus sign. It's our apps and games section. So we can highlight downloader. We can actually use our 3-line button on our remote, and it pops up this menu here. Move to front, more info, offload, uninstall, move up top. So we move to front. It puts it way up here in the front, which this line here is our shortcuts menu. So when we go to the home screen, we now have it on front and center for us to get easy access to, because I'm sure there's more than one app you're going to want out of this. Highlight downloader. Let's open it up. Downloader does need permissions to access photos, media, and files on our device. Say allow. Here's a quick start guide. We can click OK. Downloader works just like a web browser. We could type in https://ledbytheunknown.com, or I have a short code for you. We can just type it in here. Brings up a keyboard. 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5. And then come down and click go. So the short code takes us right to the Led by the Unknown website with this 5-second redirect. Our web page came up, the download section, this first page, and click on it. We're good to go. This goes to our downloads page where we have some tutorials, some videos, how-tos, some videos for what stuff's like. We're going to come down because we're looking for sports, right? We want the latest and greatest in sports. We want to watch it live and now. Let's head down to the sports section. Stream live sports. Number 1, it's on fire. So we can just head down, check out the video. So here we can get the latest version of SportsFire. Let it download to our device. The bottom right, click install, and then down highlight done and click done, because we need to now delete the installation file. We don't want the installation file wasting space on our device. So highlight it and delete it. Sports, live streaming applications. We got SportsX. Again, download the installation file. Install. Down on the bottom right, it's going to ask us to click install. So click install. File installs. Once the file is done installing or has fully installed, we hit done in the bottom right. We're going to delete the installation file. Yes, delete the installation file. Now, we can try the next one, live. Or this one's got great channels. You name it, they're in there, a lot of them. Here we can find the top one here, Amazon device or Android device, just to let you know. A few moments for it to download the file. Down on the bottom right, we're going to hit install. And once it's installed, it'll give us the option to click done. We'll highlight done, click it, and then delete the installation file, delete, confirm, we're good. We can back out one more. Stream. So here we can click the install, highlight done, click on it, delete the installation file, confirm the delete. Back out, back to the downloads page here. And there are more, but I got one app in the lives section here, Flicks. It'll cover everything, multiple channels, but it does movies and TV shows also. Check out the video in here. And here we can just highlight the first bubble to download the file. Takes a few seconds for it to download. Stage, we click install on the bottom right. Down on the bottom right, highlight done. Delete the installation file. Confirm the delete. There's 4 or 5 apps there for live TV and sports. Live sports, all for free, all on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's hit the home button and find out where these went. So remember where we found downloader? Well, same thing. We can go to the 3 squares plus sign, and here the last files that we downloaded end up in our list. So we can use our 3-line button here, move it to the front. Let's go maybe Flicks, move to the front. I'm going to do stream, move it, right? Then we can do the same with sports. Highlight it, move. Now we have all these applications on our Amazon Fire TV stick up front and center, so that for your enjoyment, I'm Lee. I'm here for all your entertainment, for Fire Stick needs, tips, tricks, and how-tos. All right, take care. Happy streaming. Peace.